Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can use Zapier for your business. First, go to zapier.com and log into your account. First, let me tell you what is Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool which you can use to automate multiple tasks on different platforms on their own. To create an automation, and click on Zaps. Here you can write multiple tasks to automate, like if someone buys from my store, they will get an email. Then click on send. Here you can see they have added a zap according to our command. Once if someone buys from our Shopify store, they will automatically get an email, and like this you can add any command and automate it. And this is how you can use Zapier for your business. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.